Today we are going to open this big box here from Me Likes Tea, and inside is one of the poofiest petticoat ever, and we are going to review it together. Let's go. My name is Joelle and you're watching the channel Fluffy Kawaii, where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. I do videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So now let's open this, then I will show it to you, try it on, and at the very end I will talk to you about my coordinates. Let's open it. Okay, before I go more in detail about what's in the box, let's review how I bought it. So basically it's a joint order with two of my friends from the Swiss community, and I said that I was going to order from Me Likes Tea, who mainly does petticoats in Brazil. And there's another lolita company in Brazil, Cotton Candy Feet, who also does bags and shoes, and they offer a way to get the order shipped together. So they will ship nationally, very cheap. You order between the two person. In my case, Me Likes Tea shipped the petticoats to Cotton Candy Feet, and then they were shipped from Cotton Candy Feet, I think so. So we ordered a few custom things, so it took a while. We placed the order on September 7th, and we got everything on the 22nd of November. So shipping for $90 US. We could have gotten 5 days of delivery with DHL, and with $80 they shipped it regular post for 20 days. But since I would not see my friends before, we decided to go the cheapest version and have a 20-day shipping, which is actually like 2 more weeks of or even is it even 20 days of open days, so maybe even 3 weeks more than DHL. Anyways, we received it in about 2 months and a half, which is totally okay for petticoats that you order custom if you want to have a very bigger petticoat than what you have or something. So I was fine with waiting and having a good quality product. So let's open it. Okay, let's start with the shoes. My friend said I could show them to you. Oh, okay, the box is exactly the size of the shoes. Oh my god, the box is so pretty. Cotton Candy Feet, very nice. Ooh. And you got a small bag that's very convenient to get your shoes. For example, if you're changing shoes at a tea party or something, I have a very crappy plastic bag, so this is really cool. And then I'm not opening them too much, but just holographic shoes. I think Lovely Laura has some of those shoes or the bag from them, so you can go check out her video for more detail. It's my friend's order, so I'm not going to open it too much. And she said she doesn't want any spoilers, so anyways, I will not release this video before I see her, so that's fine. Okay, another one. Ooh, and those are white glitter shoes. Very nice, very nice. Just by looking at it, the quality is very good. It looks awesome. So yeah, and the box is really impressive and cool. I love that. With Refitory we're also doing shoes, and we just have plain white boxes, and that makes the difference. This is really cool. Everything is white. I have to be sure what is who. So let me see. Oh, it says my name. That's perfect. So, but okay, maybe there's my name on everything. Yeah, okay, wait, there's my name on everything. I was like, this is for me, but no. This is for me, this is for my friend. So this, I think, is an underskirt based on the number. Okay, and so basically you have all the detail written, the length, the waist. You can actually pick the waist, the length of everything that you order, how many layers of ruffle you want, on how many layers you want extra ruffles, do you want extra bows or stuff like that. So you can customize it so much, the color of it, everything is so perfect. And I was not even sure how many layers I wanted in my petticoat, and she said, you know what, let me send you a picture when it's done and you tell me if you want me to add more layers. And so she did, and I was like, no, that looks good, and so we went like that. So customer service is awesome. So there are also, by the time they said they will work on it more, but I have a page on the website to help you pick the different fabrics. They have fabrics that are really sturdy and that holds the poof, and but when it gets older, then it gets less sturdy and then you have less poof. Or you can have like I don't remember, maybe it's written on it, maybe it's organza. Yeah, it's written send photo, so probably that's mine. We'll see. And yeah, 6 layers, I think that's mine. So what they do, basically, they add so many layers of fabric that holds the poof and it will never deflate, because this is just so many layers of fabric, not just a hard tulle or something that is harder and then deflates at some point. So that was the goal, to have a huge petticoat that will never deflate. So this is not for me, and there are 2 more. Okay, let me see. Okay, basically based on the waist I know which one is mine. Okay, so based on the waist I can tell which ones are for my friend Leah. So this one, she ordered 2 petticoats, and also this one, but I think that this here is for me. So like I told her, I'm not opening the petticoats because it's easier to store it closed. But I ordered these. Okay, let's open that first. Oh, I totally forgot I ordered that. Nice. Okay, this is some kind of classic headband with veil, and yeah, I love it. Okay, I cannot really try it on right now because of my beret. It took me ages to put on, but I really love it. Really, the quality seems great, and you can remove the chain here if you want a more simple thing. And can I remove the veil too? Doesn't look like I can, but I can remove the chain. So very nice and pretty and very classic. And okay, I was like, my petticoats are heavy, but there is a bonnet in it. Okay, so basically you can pick the color that you want for everything almost, and the lace and everything. And in that case I wanted a maroon bonnet because I have maroon dresses that would be pretty with the bonnet, and she could not find any maroon lace, and she was like, can I put white or black lace on it? And the problem is I have maroon dresses with white and some with black, so I really wanted a neutral bonnet all in maroon. That would be easier. But okay, right now let me try to put it on. Okay, it will not work like that, but it's a little bit all squished down and the lace is all not flat. So I will have to make it work because it's really not pretty like this. So probably it was the shipping. And since it's metal here, then I can adjust to make it cute shape. So I think I can totally make it work. And I have tried bonnets before and I know it will be pretty on my head. So let's hope this one will be pretty with the dresses that I plan to wear. And maybe I can even wear that for the Christmas party. We'll see. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, she actually dyed the lace to match the bonnet. So thank you so much, it looks amazing. Yay! And that's my petticoat. Oh my god, it is so heavy. Okay, wow. So heavy, you cannot even believe how heavy this is. So, okay. And it looks big, but at least it won't be too tight on my waist. And then you have a string here to adjust it. And I think it's very, very nice idea. And I have a tag and Milixty and 100% polyester, handmade in Brazil, hand wash only. Okay, So that looks really, I cannot even let you know how it weighs, but so much, like it's really heavy, and I don't know if there will be enough poof because it doesn't look that poofy, but it's heavy. So what I'll do is that I will cut the sitting video here, change all my setup, and I will finish the video standing so you can see the difference with my regular petticoat that is actually the poofiest that I have, but I have to stack several to make it look better, or with this one that should be like the poofiest petticoat, but I don't know. I am a bit worried, but we'll see. This is my huge, super heavy, mega amazing petticoat from Me Likes Tea. So it's the hybrid Poof Monster. The regular Poof Monster is A-line and the hybrid one is cupcake shaped. And I choose it with voile. You can have also organza. And so normally this one is just easier to store and put back together after you've been pushing it together, which I do a lot when I travel. So I took this one and I ordered 6 layers. So I'm not sure if it's big enough because I really wanted something super poofy. We'll see. Okay, so first of all, it's exactly to my waist size, which is 83 centimeters, and it's actually too big because it's not really tight, but you have a string here, some ribbon that you can make it tighter. So that's better. I prefer this than having something too tight and then it's super uncomfortable the whole day. So I will tie it a little bit more. So all the petticoats from Me Likes Tea are custom made, so made to order, so it takes a longer time, but they do exactly what you want, how many layers you want, the length. So they say if your dresses usually have 50 centimeters, you should go for 40. And so yeah, this is it. It's still a little bit, well, actually it's so heavy that it's falling, so I have to make it even tighter. So I would suggest that at least 5 centimeters smaller than your waist you can order, because you can always tie it, but we'll see if it stays. I have to tie it more. So it is way poofier than my other petticoat, but I don't know if it's the Poof Monster that I was expecting. And this one is actually super light, so it's not really pushing it. And so actually I think I would have expected something more poofy, but it was already very expensive. So since it's handmade and a lot of fabric, so this was already almost like $100. And yeah, it is poofy. It is definitely poofy. Maybe I will still continue to stock them. Let's see. Okay, that's actually a Poof Monster. That's actually the kind of thing I was expecting with this petticoat. So yeah, the quality is great and the customization is great and everything, but 6 layers is definitely not enough. I should have asked for more. So yep, you can always go and ask them and they can provide you with pictures and everything. But I guess next time I will probably have even more layers to have a super poofy petticoat. But I highly recommend, at least for the customer service for Me Likes Tea, it's really amazing. So basically it's super heavy, super tons of layer. Okay, let's count the layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yeah, this is the lining. Okay, has 6 layers. Honestly, I don't think 6 layers for a voile is enough to be super poofy. I think I took at least 1 or 2 more than the regular ones, and I honestly didn't see such a big difference with my current petticoat. I have to check out the pictures, but if it was not that clear, I'm a little bit sad. But yeah, maybe I should have ordered more layers. And it was very expensive already with that number of layer, but I think it will be very durable petticoat and everything. But I think it is very heavy because it has many layers, and taking it to travel with me for fashion shows and everything, and having a second one to actually have the regular poofy poof, I think I'm a little bit disappointed. But okay, let's put a big but. This dress is super light, it doesn't push us on it, but maybe also it's super wide. Maybe it has tons of fabric and the petticoat itself has difficulty filling it. This is without any petticoat. And this is with my current Poofiest petticoat. This is the hybrid Poof Monster from Me Like Steve. So this is with the two petticoats on top of each other. So my dress today is My Lovely Macaron from Lady Sloth, and I'm wearing an angelic pretty blouse, a wig from Borderline. This is the beret that goes with the same dress, and this ring is handmade, and my wrist cuffs are from Angelic Pretty, as well as the necklace. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye!